I just opened a UK WhatsApp account. All right. This method is very, very easy. And you know me, I don't like hiding updates from you guys. So on this video, please make sure you share this video. Very, very important. A lot of people has been asking me, CBS update, please show us how we can get international number. That's why I'm making this video. This is the same method. You can use it to get a US, Canada number for free. Belgium, Germany, right? I just opened it on my phone and it's working for me. I got it free. There is a scope there, so I'm going to review the scope for you guys. So make sure you watch this video and share this video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop comments. So let's go to my phone screen so I can show you how I did it, right? So let's go there. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I will just visit, I'll visit the Apple Store because I'm using an iPhone. So I'll visit Apple Store, right? So once you visit Apple Store, this is what you are going to search. All right. So search for this application you are seeing on the screen. So I'm going to search for it and I'm going to download it. So I'm doing that right away. All right. So I'm going to download it. So let's wait for it a little bit till we get it done. I think the application is kind of heavy. That's why it's slow. All right, let me fast forward the video so that we can speed up everything and be done at once. So now, all right, so I have the application on my phone now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open this application, right? And I'm going to teach you as well how you can get a free card details that you can use in, purchasing this number for free. The same method that I use, that is the same method I'm going to do for you in this video. So now once you finish downloading it, just go straight to the app, sign up for the account. All right, sign up for the account. They are going to ask you for your phone number, put your phone number, put your email address, put your name. You can decide to put your real name or you can get a random details that you can put there, but there is nothing bad there. Then you put your address as well. You can see it on my screen. So you put your address, you put your house number, you select it. All right, very, very easy. All right, so that's exactly what I'm doing. So you put your phone number, like I said. All right, so then you are going to click on the free trial. All right, so they are going to ask for your card details, but don't worry. I'm going to show you how you can input some card details that will accept it for them to give you this number. So you can use it to open WhatsApp ASAP, right? Very quickly. Then once you get, this is a logic. So that's why I say you should share this video. All right, so let's continue. So it's still loading. So I will just wait a little bit. All right, so I'm going to make the payment now because I make, forget about this thing that is showing on my screen. There is no money in my card. All right, it's a random card that I got. So they are going to accept it. So you can see you are all set, your purchase, because it's a trial for 3 days. And within these 3 days, you can see, great, you got a visual number. Now, in order to use it, run WhatsApp business by clicking the B icon. All right, so I'm going to show you everything. So you guys just have patience. So you can use it to verify anything you want to verify. So now let's go. They ask for my company name. So I'm going to put CBS update. So they ask for my name. I will just type CBS. Then last name, I'm going to type the update. So they are asking for the address. So you can decide to look for any address that you are looking for. All right. So for me, I'm using a random address. This is not my address. So let me try this. Number 8, Olajide Lekki. Okay, Lagos. So I think I'm trying to put this. It's not going through, but let me go with the city first. So I'm going to type Lagos where it says the city. Right. Make sure you share this video and drop this video. This thing work. So let's continue. So I will just type the postal code, which is 100-234. So you can try it. Let me click submit. So they said it's not going. Now, what I'm going to do is, let me search the web and try to get the address. So now I'm searching by number. They are giving me Chinese and other country. Now, what I'm going to do, I will type Lekki and see what I'm going to get. I just type our country code and the postal code, and it's not going. That's why I'm going to type Lekki phase 1. And as you can see there is Lekki there. So I will just click on it so that they can let me select the house number. So I will just put a random number 23. Then I will enter the street name again. So by this time, I'm just going to choose another street name, because the one I used before, I can't even remember. That's why you should know that every data I'm using here is not accurate. All right, so I will just use Odinba. Let me just see. Ricardo Bank sang one song about Odinba Jibadwe. That's why I'm using it. So Odinba way. All right, so by processing, continue. So you see, so here we go, boom, and we have the number. Look at it, visual number. The number is displaying on the screen, right? They say status trial 3 days. All right, so it's not live yet, but make sure you watch this video because it's going to go live. Now, once you click on the setting, you can see on my screen, look at what I'm showing you on my screen. You can see where they say manage subscription, activation instruction. So now this is the activation instruction. Very, very important. Using this number, great, you got the visual number. Now, in order to use it, run WhatsApp business by clicking the B icon and allow the next step. Get to verification screen. All right, so if you click on that B where the WhatsApp logo is showing, click on open. It's going to take you down here. All right, it's going to take you down to your WhatsApp, and you already have WhatsApp before. Okay, but what I'm going to do for your sake, so you can believe me and believe in my content and believe everything I'm doing, I'm going to uninstall my WhatsApp so we can go through this process again. All right, so it's not like I'm going to hide anything from you. So I will just, I'll just proceed like that and, uninstall the WhatsApp. So let's go. Let me uninstall the WhatsApp so you can believe. So I click on it. I remove it. I don't even care about backing up my message. I just want to do it for you guys so you can have UK number, US number, and do whatever you want to do. Very, very important. So you see, I'm going to type WhatsApp business. All right. So this is WhatsApp business. So I'm going to download it. So make sure you share this video. Very, very important. Share this video, please. So I'm going to download it. It's taking a lot of time. So I'm going to fast forward this video a little bit. All right. So I'm done downloading it and I just opened the WhatsApp. So let's wait for it to load. So I think I will still fast forward it a little bit. So now we have the WhatsApp. So I just click on the WhatsApp icon and it takes me to here. But one thing you should understand is, okay, I have the US number. That's why this one is showing. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the number and I will come here and I'm going to paste the number. So let's do. Click on the setting icon you are seeing there. Oh, let me go back. I think I make a mistake. Click on the setting icon. Click on where you are seeing your number. I just copy it. Select your country, which is UK. All right. So you click on UK. Then you paste the number that you copy. You see, you click on next. Very easy. You click on next. So once you click on it, they ask you, is this number correct? So all you are going to say is, yes, the number is absolutely correct. They say we can't send blah, blah, blah. So now this is it. It's because the thing is still on trial. All right. It's because the thing is still on trial. So let's wait a little bit. Let's wait a little bit. They are going to take it off from trial. All right. They are going to take it off from trial. And I'm going to request for call or another number. So you see, so let me just click on the manage subscription or get proof. Using this number, I'm just cross-checking things, trying a way to wait for the trial. Once the trial expire and they give you the number, you are going to see active there. So they say click on it, call me. So once you call the number, you can see the calling option. Wait for the verification code to arrive within 1 to 2 minutes. That's what they say. Use the verification code from the app. So that's what they say. But just have patience. Like I said, that place you are seeing trial, your number is going to be active in a minute. So you can relax a little bit and come back later for you to see it. So make sure you share this video. Please share this video. So we continue again. Now, look at what I'm saying. You can see they say status of your number is active. You can see it on my screen. Status of your number is active. So now I'm going to choose the option where it say call. I know a lot of people are going to feel like, where are they going to call him? Just relax. Just relax. They don't need to call me, but they are going to send voice message. So look at the notification that is going to pop up. Let's wait. 1, 2, 3. You are going to see the notification now. You see, you have a subscription with Apple. The proof of ownership is the last receipt you got from Apple Store. So wait now. Your WhatsApp verification code has been received. You may view it in the web app, in the wabi app. So now this is it. I'm trying to listen to it. I don't know why I can't play it. So I'm going to try open it on the web so I can listen to the voice. So for you to do that, click on that share icon that is there. Then it will take you to, then you listen to it as audio.
7 9 3.
You can listen to it. Listen to it.
9 5 1 7 9 3 1 7 9 3. Your verification code is 9 5 1 7 9.
So you listen to the song, you listen to the code. So I'll go to the WhatsApp now and type it exactly what they say so you can see. And keep validating. Your credential will be secure. Yes. So you see now it's work. All right. So I don't want to restore my old shard because I don't really need the number. So you can see. So I'm going to allow all my contacts. I want everything to work so that you all will have opportunity of getting this number. So you say, I'm going to put my name there. I don't really need this number. So if anybody need it, drop comments and I'm going to give you the number for free. So I'm going to choose the business type. So I'll just choose non-profit organization. Always open. That's what I'm going to choose. All right. So I just have to, make it fast. I didn't put description. So they are asking me if I want that. I don't really want all that. I don't really want that. They want me to create a password and email. I don't really want all that. All right. They want me to. So I'm going to skip all this process anyway. Now we are on our WhatsApp. So you can see this is the status. So this is welcome to WhatsApp message. So for you guys to confirm that this will really work, I'm going to message myself. All right. So you can believe that this update is working. So I just say hi to my number. You are going to see a notification and that's the number. So there is no ojoro in it. This number is working. All right. Please share this video, drop comment. If you want me to make a video on how you can generate free card details so that you can use to, bypass all these trials, drop comment and I'm going to make a video on how you can do that so you can bypass this method and get the number. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, comment, share this video and follow me for more video like this, so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you just watched, you won't miss out. See you in my next video. One love.